587 info, zone change. 587. I'll be in B, Davis. 10-4.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I'm Officer McCann, Lawrence Police Department. The reason I stopped you not wearing your seatbelt, okay?
Man.
Hey, man.
Yeah.
Stop.
What?
Stop.
Man, about a seatbelt, bro. I'm moving, my family homeless. I'm trying to go to fucking work at 6. You gonna stop me for a fucking seatbelt?
Yes, sir.
Man. Get Sergeant Folks on the phone now.
Do you have a driver's license?
Get folks on the phone now.
We don't have a Sergeant Folks.
Oh, yes you do.
Are you saying Kirk Folks or
Yes, you do.
Folks?
Yes, you do.
Okay, sir, this is a seatbelt violation.
Man, go get something, man. I'm finna go to Trail Ridge. You pull me over there, man.
Okay, I'm gonna pull you over right here. This is gonna literally take only 4 minutes.
No, it's not. Cause I ain't, man. You, all them folks you just paid by, you gonna stop me for a fucking seatbelt?
Yes, sir, that's why I'm here today. I'm
Bruh,
here.
I gotta go get my motherfucking backseat and get my motherfucking kid. You gonna, all them motherfucking folks, bruh.
In the time you...
Man, go get your motherfucking supervisor.
In the time you have...
Go get your goddamn supervisor. Don't talk to me.
I'm not gonna do that.
Well then, hey, bruh, you can go on with that rich shit, man.
Here's the deal.
Bye.
Listen, here's the deal.
What?
This is a simple traffic violation. It's a seatbelt ticket.
Man, you trying to stop me for a motherfucking seatbelt violation?
Yes, sir, because you're not wearing it.
all them goddamn, man,
They had their seatbelt on,
like
sir.
I said, go get your people, man.
Okay, I'm not gonna go get anybody.
Well, then
We're gonna take care of our business. I'm gonna get you on down the road. If you would like to make a complaint after that, you're more than welcome to do so. Okay, but I'm not gonna stand out here and have court with you and have an argument with you on the side of the road. I need your driver's license and your insurance card. If you give me that, I will get you your citation. I will get you on your way. You'll be out of here in 5 minutes or less. And you can go pick up your kids, and you can go move your family, and you can go do the things that you need to do.
But the longer that ran around and popped on me.
Yes,
man,
sir. Because you didn't have your seatbelt on.
No, all them white folks you passed by didn't have their motherfucking seatbelts on.
Yes, they did, sir.
Get the fuck out my face, man. I'm telling you, bye. I'm already hot. I'm pissed off. It's been a long bad day.
I don't want to make the situation any worse than it has to be.
You doing that right now?
No, sir, you are.
Yes, you are.
You're making this a much bigger issue than it needs to be.
No, I'm not. You made it a motherfucking issue. You passed all the motherfucking folk, then gonna whip around right there beside me, man. You seen all the motherfucker in front of me didn't even have his seatbelt on.
I did not see that.
You a goddamn lie. If you standing right there driving by, you did see that motherfucker, man. Don't fuck with me today.
You're more than welcome to complain about that later, but that's not gonna get you out of this ticket today. And if you keep arguing and we keep going down this road, you're gonna go to jail for a seatbelt violation. You want to go to jail for a seatbelt violation? That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard.
I've been before. For a fucking seatbelt violation.
So you want to go to jail for a seatbelt violation?
Like I said, get your motherfucking soul.
Okay, we'll go to jail then.
Go get your supervisor.
672 second on. No, I'm not going to get my supervisor.
Supervisor been requested. It's my right to stop your motherfucking supervisor.
It's not a right.
Because I didn't ask for one.
It's not a right.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Trust me.
Not.
Yes,
no, it's not.
Okay. Okay, you know what I'm saying?
This is the silliest thing I've ever had to do.
It really is. It really fucking is, man.
I really want you to go through the rest of your day and be able to enjoy it.
You fuck that up, man.
Okay?
Come on.
Instead of having to go to jail.
Go to work. Shit.
You're not going to make it to work. You're going to go to jail.
Well, shit.
You're going to lose your job. Is really all this worth it? It's a ticket for a seatbelt.
I have a right to talk to your supervisor.
No, you don't.
Supervisor up out here.
You don't have that right. That's not a right.
You don't want to tell me that.
That's not a right.
You don't want to tell me that.
That's a request you've made, and that's not going to happen right now.
How come?
Why?
Yeah, why not?
Because we're not going to sit here and block traffic while I wait for a supervisor to drive here and talk to you and tell you the same thing. They're going to tell you the exact same thing that I have just told you. That's you're getting a seatbelt ticket.
Man, ew.
You're about to go to jail for a seatbelt violation. Are you really wanting to do that? You could give me your driver's license, I could write you your ticket, and you could drive home.
I haven't done nothing.
You're not wearing your seatbelt.
Motherfuckers in front of me for a fucking seatbelt.
I don't care about them right now. I care about you. I can't stop every car on the road.
Let me tell you something. You didn't stop them for a fucking seatbelt, but you gonna turn around behind me and try to pop me for a fucking seatbelt?
Sir, I can only stop one
all the
car at a
motherfuckers
time.
you were looking at coming down the motherfucking line right there,
I was
man.
not.
Get on with that shit.
Okay.
You fucking my day up. That's what you doing.
He's going to jail.
How you doing?
Okay.
No, I'm not.
You are.
Don't touch my vehicle. You do not have a right to touch my motherfucking vehicle.
I need you to step out. Step out. Give me your hands. Step out. Hey, don't make this. Don't make this.
Don't talk to me. I want to talk to your motherfucker.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
I'm gonna knock you in your mother.
Get out of the car.
I'm not getting out this car.
Get out of the car.
I'm not.
Get out of the
Please
car.
stop, man.
Sir?
You're messing up my kids' stuff. Please, we need.
672 starts more units.
No, listen. You came up here and you ain't even listening. This man done rode by every motherfucking body without a seatbelt, and then gonna just pull up behind me.
I need you to step out of the
No,
car.
I'm not. He wanted to do this shit. I asked him for a supervisor out here. He telling me I don't have a right to do that.
You don't?
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna see after all these motherfucking people. You let all these motherfuckers. Oh shit! Oh!
672 shots fired. Shots fired. Start a medic unit on
Anybody else in the car?
No.
Check the car. Who's in the car?
emergency. We're cuffed. We're cuffed.
Damn, that hurt. It hurt. Please.
We need to get patted down for weapons. Hey, we got medics. We got medics coming for you. We have medics coming for you.
Please, no.